yeah, I just can't leave well enough alone. And I probably like a challenge too. So anyway, building this blank here for Rachel Tilley. New board. US Blanks hot wire cut this slab of EPS to our specific rocker. Thank you guys. And they split it down the middle. I put a 1/2-inch piece of spruce down the middle, and then I had to wrap, I just had to do it. I had to wrap the whole perimeter in a 1/2-inch band of high-density blue polyurethane foam from US Blanks as well. And the idea is that that's stronger than the EPS and it won't compress as easily. So boards tend to break out at the rail. That's what it starts breaking or buckling. And this will help the glass, a little bit of a bone for it to back up against. This board is going to Noosa for this upcoming contest, but I'm sure it'll work in other waves too. She'll figure out how to ride it other places. Maybe hold off on riding it at Durenbaugh though. Deebaugh, I think you've broken a board or two there.